had to videotape this because I can't believe it's raining a little bit. They're all like, what's going on? It's raining, girls. Oh, that's nice. I don't think it's going to be a downpour. What is going on? Man, I have to shake. I'm getting so wet I gotta shake. There's my girl. Yeah. There's my MaryJo. Where are you? There you are. It's raining. Yeah. What is going on? What is that, Bambi? Is that rain? Mom's standing out here in it. I love it so much. Yeah, it's raining. Yes. It's raining. There's my girls. See how good her little scar looks? Yeah. Here's my girls. Oh, it's nice out here now. Got a few little drops. Yeah, we got a little dark sky. So hopefully we'll get just a little more. Yeah. Yeah. Here's my girl. Here's my girl with her little broken tail. Yes. Here's my girl. There goes Bambi traipsing off. She's going to go get a bird. It's my little huntress. Where'd she go? There she is. Sending love and hugs, everybody. Here's Bambi. I'm looking up in the sky. What the heck's going on?